7. Local to Flushing. Next stop,
33rd Street.
7. Local to Flushing. Next stop,
40th Street.
7. Local to Flushing. Next stop,
46th Street.
7. Local to Flushing. Next stop,
52nd Street.
7. Local to Flushing. Next stop,
Woodside. Woodside.
transfer to the
Q70 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
Connect
To the Long Island Railroad.
7. Local to Flushing. Next stop,
69th Street.
7. Local to Flushing. Next stop,
74th Street, Broadway. 74th Street, Broadway.
transfer to the
E, F, and R trains.
transfer to the
Q70 and Q47 buses to LaGuardia Airport.
7. Local to Flushing. Next stop,
82nd Street, Jackson Heights.
7. Local to Flushing. Next stop,
90th Street, Elmhurst Avenue.
7. Local to Flushing. Next stop,
Junction Boulevard, Junction Boulevard.
Transfer is available to the Q72 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
7. Local to Flushing. Next stop,
103rd Street, Corona Plaza.
7. Local to Flushing. Next stop,
111th Street, 111th Street.
Transfer is available to the Q48 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
7. Local to Flushing. Next stop,
Willett Point, Willett Point.
Transfer is available to the Q48 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
7. Local to Flushing. Next and last stop,
Flushing, Flushing.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.